Oh, I knew it. Actually, that was just the computer that cut off. Well, okay. Little power surge there. Yeah. Oh, sheet lightning. That's what we call it, sheet lightning. Whoa. It's a hell of a little storm here. We had our warning end at 8:15, which was like, oh, look at the stop sign. Which was like, oh no, 20 minutes ago. This is a lot worse. Holy crap. Very energetic. Whoa. Oh yeah. Dang. Oh. Oof, just. Yep, it ain't even really here yet. Well, it's almost here. Ooh, dang it, that came down right. Not very far from here. I'm gonna turn this lamp off over here. Yes, it's okay, Bubba. You see that? Yeah, it's pretty rough, ain't it, Bub? Yes, did you see that? Watch out, baby. Watch out. What are you sniffing? You're sniffing the wind. All right, now we don't have the glare on the screen door here. Storm door, whatever you want to call it. Trying to get this water coming down. Like, we don't get, we don't just get an inch or two anymore. We get buckets. Wow. Oh, I predict. I mean, if anything was going to knock out the electric, it would be a storm like this. Oh, very energetic. A lot of lightning, a lot of sheet lightning. That was a huge bolt that came down, just probably 3-4 blocks away. Oh, yeah, it's right over us. Oh, Bob, aren't you glad we're not out there? Shit. Oh, crap. Yep. It's all right, Bubba. Don't worry. Whoa! That was close. Yep, that one was close. Looks like the bulk of the lightning's going to be right down here. Yes, very energetic. No hail. Some wind. Not too bad. It was worse earlier. And I'm glad it held off for tonight, because last night was the last night of our Arma homecoming, VJ Day. Victory over Japan, 80 years. Gosh, very strange. It was the longest running every year celebration in Kansas. 80 years. Whoa. Yeah, it's going to be right over us. Yep. There's some folks getting their asses home. Don't be out down the road. Hell, I was going to ride my motorbike down to Pittsburgh. I'm glad I didn't. I didn't see this coming. I wasn't paying attention. I probably would have seen it out of my way and turned around and come back. All right, bub, take it easy. A little wind again. A little wind. Really surprised we haven't lost power. I'm glad though. I mean, all my stuff is charged up. I got speakers and I got, you know, media players and stuff, but it's never fun. I got kids south of here trying to watch radar on for them. May have gone on by now. Don't know if we get one more big bolt of lightning right out here. May have gone on to the east, I don't know. We'll see. Not so much sheet lightning anymore. Not here anyhow. Really, this was just a little thundercloud. But, oh, that one was close. Woo! Oh, yeah, that was close. I figured there'd be one right down here. Oh, the next one will be behind us now. Yeah, this was just one little thundercloud. Oh, there's a much bigger storm behind us, so this will not be over right now. It was loud, and it was at least across the street, if not a little farther. I'll have to review the video because it looked pretty weird on the phone there. You're all right, bub. You're all right. Don't worry, baby. Mama not gonna let nothing happen to you. I saw it. It didn't even get fuzzy in here. That was south of us, baby. About a block or two. See? Yeah. It's a good thing we weren't out there, huh? Can you imagine getting that soaking wet and all that lightning? Ooh. Might have got a little fuzzy if we were outside. Huh. Yeah. Any more close to us would be on behind us. I figured it'd be right here somewhere. It's definitely moving that way. Going east. Yep. Still coming in. Got some wind now. Yeah, we got some wind. Yep, sheet lightning. That's what that was. And some bolts. Okay, I'm gonna go back out over here and check the radar and stuff for my kids. I don't know what's going on with them. They are, I got some west of me and I got some south of me. Yeah, I'm getting a little energetic again. Really pouring. You can see, really pouring rain. Yes, gosh. Ooh, that one. Yeah. Hear that crack. Crack. Okay, hold up, tree. Doing a good job, tree. We got some scars, but she's holding up. Hold up there, tree. I hope all the birds are okay. I haven't seen any birds on the nest lately, so I hope there's no dogs on chains, God. Oh, people gotta stop doing that. Okay, I'm gonna go back to check radar. I'll be careful out there.